Kajal Gandhi is with us. Kajal, you heard me talking about the numbers. Can you just talk to us? What is your first reaction? Till then, of course, I will give you more numbers.
Right.
CASA ratio 60.2%.
So largely the numbers look in line with estimates, marginally below because of slightly higher provisions. But looking at the gross NPA and net NPA, looks headline asset quality has been kept stable. We will have to look at the restructured number. I think that's the only thing we have to look. Otherwise, it looks a largely stable set of numbers.
I just tell you, no sale. Kajal, let me just tell you, no sale to ARC in the quarter. Collections got impacted in April and May. Improvement has been seen in June and July. SMA outstanding stood at 430 crores. Total COVID MSME restructuring 522 crores implemented as of 30th June 2021 versus March number of around 435 crores. They have also given a condition with it that fund based outstanding for borrowers is only greater than about 5 crores. So I think the total COVID and MSME restructuring came in at 552 crores versus the March number of 435 crores. I don't know how to read into this. Can you just tell us? Kajal, are you with us? Okay, I think right. I think we'll. Kajal, if you could just tell about the asset quality that I just read to you. Right. I think we've. Yeah, I think we've lost. Right. I think we've lost the line with Kajal. Okay, Poonam is with us. Poonam ahead with Kajal Gandhi as well as the guest joining is from Axis Securities. Kajal, once again, coming back to you, have you managed to see some more internals?
Yeah, so largely these are looking pretty good numbers. The growth has also in line with expectations, a marginal decline of 2% on a quarter-on-quarter. But what I think is that for Kotak, anyway, there wasn't large expectations of steep cut in asset quality numbers. So that way these numbers look reasonable. What one will look forward is whether in the commentary Mr. Kotak is talking about growth being picking up or that those kind of commentaries will be more important. Because stable set of numbers was expected and this is what looks like more on that line.
Right, CG Philip is also with us. CG, if you could tell us about your first reaction, what do you make of numbers? How do you think markets will react to it, considering it's also digesting Federal Bank, ICICI, a miss probably from HDFC Bank earlier last week?
Yeah, so the headline numbers reported look almost slightly better than estimates, and it could be basically largely stable set of numbers which the bank has reported, because what we see from the GNPA as well, the spike hasn't been very substantial, and also we see that the NIM improvement is quite steady. The operating performance has been quite well. We see the operating profits have gone up by 20% year on year, so almost in line with some of the major banks, though on a quarter-on-quarter basis, there has been an 8% decline, and provisions have also come down by 3% year-on-year and 21% quarter-on-quarter. So this has aided the bottom line. So overall, a steady state of numbers from Kotak.
Right. What do you mean by steady state of numbers from Kotak? CG, if you could just tell us about the recent underperformance that Kotak has shown versus some of the other banks. You think valuations are not particularly as demanding as it used to be earlier?
See, one of the main reasons why Kotak was underperforming was because of the lag in the loan growth. So loan growth was around 7%. This quarter also it has been around 7%. While other banks, if you see, they have been quoting at double-digit loan growth. So unless that picks up, I think that underperformance may continue for a little longer. But overall, if you look at how the operating performance has been, it has been quite stable, because the street was also expecting some spike in NPAs because of their SME exposure, and the current numbers look pretty in line.
All right, CG, Kajal, thank you so much for taking out time for us. We'll of course discuss more about the Kotak numbers as we go through the day. On that note, we're taking a break. Stay tuned for the last 1.5 hours.